What's up, guys? So my boy came through. He said, hey Freddie, you got me. My boy got a 2014 Toyota Highlander. It's making a weird noise in the on the pulling by the water pump, so we're gonna be replacing the water pump. The first thing that we're gonna be doing is pretty much taking out the motor mount, because we're gonna have to lift, because some of the screws that hold the water pump, they're pretty long. So in order for us to take those screws out, we have to move a little bit and adjust a little bit of the motor. So these screws go on these holes, right? So what I like to do, once I take out the screws, is put them back right here so I won't lose them. For example, this one comes out of this one, put it back in there. These go in here, but I keep them on the base. So we're gonna keep them somewhere safe where we know that it's not gonna be moved. We're gonna take the antifreeze out. Baja poquito el carro.
Oh, hell no, bro. Good. Okay, so right here, we're trying to get the tensioner a little loose to remove the belt. I recommend to take off the wheel for more access to this part, because the water pump is really tight. It's in really tight spaces, so you have to remove the tire and some plastic covers to get to that part. I like to remove the tensioner a little bit loose so we can take out the belt, and then we're going to take out the pulley. It's right there, the one that has 1, 2, 3, 4 screws right there. That's called the pulley, water pump pulley. We're going to have to make that loose, and we're going to have to take all that out, take out the bearing, and take out the belt.
See that? And now stop it right there. That way you can leave it there, so when you want to take this pulling out, excuse me.
As you can see, we removed the tire and the cover so we could get a lot of wiggle room to work out this water pump. If you have a lifter, it's gonna make it simpler for you guys. If you guys don't have a lifter, then you guys will have to have some jack stands. Always be safe when you guys do this procedure. This is the old belt. Check it out, guys. We decided to get a new one for my guy. This is no good anymore. So it's all dry, it's all chewed up. You do not want this. So you guys see how it goes. Here we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 holes, plus this one right here. You're gonna need a size 10 and a size 12 socket to get this out, and it basically goes in like this. Boom. Always make sure you always change out the gasket. A little O-ring right here. Always take it out and put a new one. The new one should come with a new one, obviously, but always put that on there. Don't ever forget to not put it there, because it will leak.
So this is the old one right here, and this is the new one. We just switched down the gasket over here,
And it goes down here. Now we're finished with the replacement. Now we're bleeding out the air out of the coolant system. There should be no more bubbles coming out of there. And no leaks, no nothing. Looks good. Sounds good too, man.